Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers, I guess G1 Retro Card Walmart exclusive gears. And I really wasn't planning on getting this, but I don't know, it was just too cool. And I guess I couldn't resist the packaging. I don't understand why Hasbro just does not want to use this packaging. It's the best. I mean, I bet you these will sell a lot better with this kind of artwork. And I think I will keep this. It looks really nice. And here he is. I never had the G1 figure. It'd be nice to have those. And here he is with the previous version. I don't remember if it's Legacy or Studio Series, but here they are, side by side. And I think I switched the guns. Yeah, very cool. And very easy to transform. Just unpeg this here. Fold this in. Unpeg this. Unpeg this. Just everything unpegs. Fold in the wheels, fold in the chest, fold in these wheels, peg to the back. And there he is in his robot mode. With his new head. Yeah, I really wish I had that toy. G1 toy. And this one, very simple to transform. Just get unpeg that too. And again, I don't mind simple transformation. Just make sure that both the alt and robot mode looks good and that the transformation is fun. And I don't know, maybe because I didn't have the G1 toy as a kid, maybe because I liked this, I didn't mind getting the second version. This is the one that's gonna sit on my classic shelf, and this is the one I'm gonna play with. I definitely like the darker scheme, so I always like that. And yeah, lighter colors, yellow chest, alternate face. So the rest of the head is the same, so even these right here, only the inside piece is painted silver, while these two outside pieces are silver. It looks like this is red and that was painted blue. That's silver there. If they have to paint windows, I prefer black, but oh well. And it's been a while since I watched the G1 cartoon, but so I don't remember if this should be painted or not. But yeah, I like these. I'm not gonna get that retro Bumblebee. I have the Netflix version, and I really do hate that it's a parts former. So I don't plan on getting that. But yeah, there they are. There he is. The retro gears with the cartoon accurate gears. Both cool figures. Thanks for watching.